trial. Would counsel please state their appearances?
Good morning, I'm Ryan here on behalf of the state.
Good morning. Good morning. I have a motion to continue the trial. It looks like, at least from Mr. Green's perspective, and maybe also Mr. Rivers' perspective, today wasn't really going to be a go.
Yes, that's exactly it. What we're going to be asking for is a short continuance. There are a number of witnesses who have shown up today. What I'd like to do is just, if I can, place on the record the names of the witnesses who are here and have this opinion. The first is Talicine Hunter. She's actually present in a different room downstairs. Trey Wilson is present. Omar Stanford is on his way on the rise. O'Shea Harville, Elise Jackson is also present. Lauren Lane is present. The attorney for Jarrell Thompson is also present, so I'm not concerned about him eventually complying with the subpoena. One of the things that we needed to accomplish are some remaining defense interviews, and thus far it appears we're getting people scheduled in. Some of those who are here today will be able to do defense interviews today as soon as we're done. What I was going to be asking for is that the court continue the trial for a brief period, order that the subpoenas remain in effect, and that the witnesses stay in contact with the prosecution, and several of them have been in contact with me via email or text, so I'm not too concerned about some of them. However, there are some witnesses who have not shown up, and there's one witness in particular who I believe is not here, and I am going to be asking for a warrant for his arrest, but I will probably file that petition with Judge Padilla. And just for the record, I want to make sure is Sean or Sean the Reader present? And I don't see him present. That's the witness that I'll be asking for arrest.
And what date are you specifically proposing for a new trial date?
We were thinking, and Ms. Rivers can correct me if I'm wrong, we were thinking around early December or late November, whatever works for the defense.
All right, Mr. Rivers, what do you think of Mr. Green's proposal?
We have no issues with this proposal early December.
Okay, so let's look at the week of December 1st, probably sometime in midday. The 3rd. So December 3rd would be a new trial date. Mr. Denver is willing to wait time.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to get a new last day. It seems to me that you should go back and see Judge Padilla before trial. You're going to have some issues maybe with subpoenas and other witnesses, and make sure you're in a posture where you're ready to go. So any issue with backing in the early part of the week, Thanksgiving week, which would be about a week before trial? So
No, that's fine. That's fine.
okay, so like that Monday, is he going to be here? He's not here? No, the House November 20.
That's fine.
So November 20 for a final trial management conference with Judge Padilla. Looks like you have what is kind of a joint pretrial statement.
We'll update, Judge. As we get closer, I'll update that for the court. I guess, again, the main thing is now that we've got the new date of December 3rd, as long as the witnesses understand that their obligation is to stay in contact with the prosecution, I will do what I can to make sure that I reduce the amount of inconvenience to them when it comes to scheduling their testimony, but also that it's important for them to cooperate in doing the defense interviews.
So for all the witnesses who are here for Mr. Nemmert's matter, who are subpoenaed, all the subpoenas that were previously issued are still in full force and effect. So you're subpoenaed for a trial date of December 3rd. You also need to stay in touch with whatever party subpoenaed you to make sure they know where you're at. If you don't respond to the subpoena, then either myself or another judge will likely issue an arrest warrant. We don't want to do that. So make sure you communicate and that you are available and the state knows where you're at, so there's no miscommunication. Okay, anything else from the state's perspective? Oh, no, the new last day is December 13th. Anything else from the state's perspective?
I don't think so.
Anything else from the defense perspective? Okay, I'll see you back here on December 3rd for trial.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, let's do number 12 next, and that's the Torres matter. Mr. Judge is here, Mr. Lewis is here. Ms. Torres here? Yes, okay. Number 12 is here, 2013-426-036, Arizona, Amanda